Dear students, welcome to my channel Shashi Thakur. Today especially we will revise the grammar points from chapter number 7, 10 and 12 which is there in your Unit 2 syllabus. So I have already sent you a PDF file, try to solve, then after writing the answers in your notebook, watch this video to verify your answers. We will start discussion of answers now. Chapter number 7, 10, 12. We will discuss especially 3 points, that is TPN, then KSN number and disjoint the Sandhi. These are the major parts. In previous video we have revised question answer. In this part we will discuss grammar points. Remaining translation you do yourself after watching the video. So before you watch the video, subscribe to my channel. It is very important for you. Then after, share it among your friends. Okay, we'll start. Now we'll discuss case and number and TPN of these chapters. We'll start with the case and number. The first column, Godavari Tire. See, case and number can be decided on the basis of a symbol. Here Godavari Tire ending with a sound, so locative singular. Desebhyah ending with vyah, dative, ablative plural. Ratru, at night. Here meaning we have to see because it is exception, symbols are not applicable here. So Ratru, at night, at stands for locative, so locative singular. Visalah, oh, nominate singular. Vyadhe no, ending with no, instrumental singular. Vrukshasya, sya stands for genitive singular. Kapotan, an sound is there, accusative plural. Tandula kana nam, am sound is there, so genitive plural. Vicharena, ana sound is there, instrumental singular. Sanka bhihi, bhihi there, so instrumental singular. Bandhanani, ni sound is there, so nominative, accusative plural. Sannyasinam, accusative singular. And Bhagavan is the address here. Bhagavan, address here. So when you address somebody or address anybody, Bhagavan means O Lord, O respected one. Here it is vocative singular, we, vocative singular. Then Sannyasin, O sannyasi, O mendicant, O saint, that is also vocative singular. Then Bandhusu, locative plural. Khanyamana, A matra, E matra, O matra, nominative singular. Kapotaha, aha there, so nominative plural. Very simple. You have done so many times, but it is just again, it's a kind of revision. Now we'll discuss TPN. In this part, asti ending with T, so present third singular. Nivasanti, titanti, present third plural. Apasyat ending with auth sound, beginning with a, so past tense, and due to ta, it is third singular. So answer is past third singular. Darshayisyati, sya is there, so future tense, and p is there, third singular, future third singular. Vyasarpat, auth sound is there, auth sound stands for past third singular. Abhavan ending with no, halant no, and the beginning with a, so past third plural. No, ta stands for singular, no stands for plural, past third plural. Pasyami, this never comes in future, it is present, and me stands for past singular, so present first singular. Upavisan, on sound again, just we have done recently, so past third plural. Dhavati, titanti, that stands for present third singular. Gachamaha, mi bahamaha, so present first plural. Karishyati, sya stands for future and t stands for third singular, so future third singular. Samagachan, on sound is there, so past third plural. Here past third plural. and samagachat, this one, past third singular, ot sound is there. Tiraskarosi, either this she or this she, both of them are present second singular, si tha tha. Pranamami, me bahama, so me stands for present first singular. Virama, so it is a Virama means stop. Somebody gives order, command, request होने से imperative mood. So you stop. You stands for second singular. So imperative mood second singular. Pratiksha mahe, mahe. That is present tense first person plural atmanepadi. It is not me bahama. So it is present tense first person plural atmanepad. That is the what do you say? That passive voice. Adesaya, it is just like Virama. Adesaya means show me the path. It's an order. So order, command, request, imperative mood. So you show me the path. So you stands for second singular, imperative mood, second person singular. Okay. So another set of verb forms we'll discuss here under TPN. Pravisati, Anugiti, so present third singular. Farajati Sye, Sye stands for future, and me and o, both of them are option for first singular. So future first singular, this one is future first singular. Janimaha, me bahama, so present first plural. Then Sye stands for future and she stands for second singular, future second singular. Dasyami, Sye stands for future and me stands for first person singular, so future first singular. Janasi, si tha tha, so present second singular. Jayate, I have told you ti or te, either ti or te. Both of them stands for present third singular. So here it is another option, present third singular. Adesha, it is repeated. Adesha means give me order. Okay. So show me the path. It is order, command, request. Under that, so imperative mood, second person singular. So this page only stands for case and number and TPN. Now we'll discuss some questions related to Janda Sandhi from this chapter. Okay. So here you need to pay more attention. Okay. Now see, Sochintayat, OS, operating system. O will be cancelled. Okay. O will be cancelled. It will be replaced by Visarga. So first word will be Saha plus Achintayat. Achintayat. Okay. Achintayat. Saha plus Achintayat. OS, operating system, that you have to remember, operating system. Then Pratareva, you have to split a re. Visarga plus A. When Ra is to be splitted, Ra will be Visarga, and whatever vowel is added to Ra, it will be separated. So Prataha plus Eva. Okay, this is the answer. Sudirgha Kalapi, here it is not OS, here it is AS. So this part will remain as it is, not to change. Sudirgha Kale plus, here you write Api. Sudirgha Kale plus Api. Sarvatraivam, Sarvatra plus Evam. We have to split a trai. So first word will be ending with Sarvatra plus Evam. Sarvatra plus Evam. Okay. So Sarvatra Evam. Visheshastu, here half sa is there. So half sa will be converted to Visarga. So Visheshaha, the answer will be like this, Visheshaha plus only 2. Visheshaha plus 2. Viguneshwapi, when half consonant is later there, followed by V, the V will be converted to U or Bada U, dono. Okay. So the answer will be Viguneshu. Viguneshu plus Api. Swapi. Api is hard. So Viguneshu plus Api. Now Tusairapi. Ra is there. I told just now. Ra will be converted to Visarga. So the first word will be Tusaihi plus Api. Tusaihi plus Api. Same way, Doya Reba, you have to split at Re. So Ra will be Visarga. So Dvaya Ho, the first word will be Doya Ho plus In re, which vowel is there? A. So eva. Doyoha plus. In short, whenever ra comes, if you are supposed to split at that, ra will be converted to visarga, and whichever vowel is there in that ra, you have to separate in next word. So, for example, let us take trusei reva. So here ra, ra, when you speak ra, a comes, a will go into next word, and ra will be replaced by visarga. Trusei hi plus api. Doyo ho plus eva. In a no matra. Okay. Another set of word for Dijan Sandhi. Heka Paksha. Here you see half consonant letter. Half consonant letter. Which one is half here? Ha. Followed by vowel. Followed by ya. Here. The combination of this syllable is ha. Half ha. Ya complete a matra. So ya will be replaced by e. Small e or big e. And now when you separate, it will be he. I mean, ya is replaced by e matra he plus which vowel is there in he? A. So eka paksha. He plus he, this small he plus eka paksha. Eka paksha. Copy. Operating system just now I discussed. Kaha plus api. Operation means O matra plus that S type of symbol. So O will be replaced by visarga, S will be replaced by A. Sanir Vidya. Here you see above V there is a repa matra. When this repa matra comes, then we have to delete that repa matra and add visarga in previous letter. Previous letter is Sanaihi. So you have to add here Sanaihi plus Vidya. Vidya. I repeat the answer here. Sanaihi plus Vidya. This is the answer. Sanaihi Vidya. I mean, this repamatra deleted and this is added as a visarga here, and then next word is Vidya as it is. Nasti. No, a matra is there. So before plus a or a, after plus a or a, it's a combination of o and a. It makes it a. So na plus asti. Na, simple na plus asti. Okay. Na plus asti. Then bhumi stoyam. Half sa is there. So this half sa will be converted into visarga. So the first word will be bhumi hi plus toyam, not stoyam. Toyam. Okay. Bhumi hi plus toyam. Naiva. I matra is there. So after plus there will be a plus. Before plus na. So na plus eva. Whenever you find double matra, after plus there will be always a or I. Depends upon meaning. So na plus eva. Jnanam mahinsatam. It is very simple. Ma is there. When ma is splitted, then you have to split like halantma plus vowel. So jnanam halantma plus ahinsatam. Next is kasta dagni. Here da is there. So da will be splitted at halantata plus vowel. Which vowel is there in the? The a is there. The first word will be, look here, kastat. The first word will be kastat, then agni. Kastat plus agni. Nastya sadhyam. Here you see a matra, then first word will be na plus asti. Na plus asti plus asadhyam. Okay. Now let me explain. Here you see in a matra, here no a vowel is there and a o. So both the a makes here na. So na ho gaya. Then in here you see half consonant letter followed by ya, that will be e. So here e is coming. So nastya sadhyam. Nasti plus astadhyam. Now plus asti plus asadhyam. And last you write halanma. Always any indefinite word is written with halanma at the end. Okay. Na plus asti plus asadhyam. This way you have to solve and complete the answers in your notebook. This is your homework and try to solve. If any query, please contact me. Have a nice time. Okay, and just we'll go through this, and if any problem, please contact me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice time. Stay home, stay safe, start learning, and get ready for exam. Thank you.